Thank you, buddy. Wow. Man, I'm shaking. I know he was just a spike, but from the ground, I love it. 10 yards, if that. He's not going far. He's got to be laying down. I thought he was going to lay down right next to me. He kept looking back. He's meat for the freezer. Felt good. Felt thankful. Blessed. That was amazing. Alright, well, I was about right in there. He was right here. Came off of this trail, I believe. He came out and he decided he was going to walk right down through here. He wanted to, I don't know, he kept coming. I'm not seeing my arrow. I know it went through him. It's probably back in them bushes somewhere. Because I'm kind of downhill. But I think I heard him crash a little bit. I don't know, it's been like 10 minutes, but first he ran off over here. Then he started coming out. Yeah, there's a bunch of blood in there. There's blood back there. So, I mean, that's it. Let's see. There's a bunch of blood. Alright, well, I couldn't find the arrow, but I found the blood. There are some bubbles in it, so we definitely got lungs. Heart, probably, too. I think it blew through his shoulder, even. But all I see is a red stripe. Gonna lead us right to him. Should sit a little longer, maybe a doe will come. Blood trail's so heavy, he's gotta be done. We might be able to wrap this up pretty quick. I think it's like 2:30 in the afternoon. Public land, Indiana. Spike down. Follow the blood trail. Man, I hope I didn't just get him one lung. I mean, that's a lot of blood, though. The heck? This might be an easier way in. Might be. There he is. I think he probably went about 50 yards or so. You done, buddy? Oh, man. A 3-pointer. That's alright. That off of them. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Little spike. It tastes good, ain't you, buddy? Yeah, you will. I'm home, get him cleaned up.